Inspire Touch BG4G is here today with Larette King, health educator of HIV AIDS program. Larette, we'd like to hear your inspiring story.
Thanks, Linda. I began in 1987 with the Florida Department of Health STD program, and at that time I had no idea what sexually transmitted disease was until I started working in that program. And it made me want to work more because just like me, I had no idea what HIV or syphilis or gonorrhea or chlamydia was at that time. So I made it my vow to begin working in my community, telling everyone about the HIV program.
What or who has inspired you in your life to do what you do?
Well, it's those that are affected and infected with HIV because they work so tirelessly in that area, working to let everyone know what is going on in our community and how it's affecting not only the person that's positive, but those that are near and dear to them.
Within your profession, how do you separate your personal from your professional when you have to go out to let someone know that they are HIV positive?
Like I said before, I work for the Florida Department of Health, and I'm very well trained, and they train us to do these interviews. And yes, on the inside, I'm really dying because I have to tell someone that they're HIV positive. But however, I want to help that person. So my professional life kick in, and if this person wants to get really personal with me, then I bring my personal life in. Will I cry with the person? Only if I feel like I can. I will adjust to whatever that person is doing at the time.
So there's a lot of empathy and sympathy and compassion.
Of course,
Definitely,
yeah.
I
And we
understand.
need that for the people that are being diagnosed with HIV. And I give them all that I can. If I need to pray with them, I will pray with them because they ask for prayer. If I need to cry with them, I will cry with them. Yes, it's very stressful, but I'm still going to be that professional person to make sure that they are linked to care.
That's great. You've impacted a lot of people's lives within our community to help them in a positive way. What or who has inspired you in your life?
To work with the HIV program, it would be those that I've met during my journey, those that are positive and those that are not letting this disease fail them. I can remember an incident. This particular person was diagnosed with HIV, and he went home to tell his parents, and this was in Spain, but he came back hurt and destroyed. And that made me, at that time, that was in 1987, I never forget it, I will always work for him. He's always in my mind because he was out there on the front line really working and accepting the HIV diagnosis, but when he went home, his family destroyed him with some harsh words. And I'll never forget him, and he will always live in my heart. And because he came back home and died. So I knew then that I need to share my love for those that are HIV positive, those that are at risk, that are not yet HIV positive, but they're out there at risk.
That's inspiring for those to get help, and also inspiring for those to help others to spread the knowledge and the awareness of HIV. Thank you for sharing that. Larette, please share with Inspire Touch BG4G in the world your inspirational message in one quote.
One quote I would say is love others, love everyone. And every day that is my motto, to love others, whether they're white, black, pink, red, or blue. Love covers a multitude of faults.
Larette, please share with Inspire Touch BG4G and the world your contact information, how people can reach you for help, resources, education, and awareness.
Yes, you can reach me at the Columbia County Health Department at 386-758-1364. And if you care to email me, you can email me at larette.king at floridahealth.gov. Thank you.
Thank you.